Alright, for the last week I've been working on this robot toy stuff. I'm way behind on the giant robot, at least on the schedule I was hoping I might be. Not that it's really that strictly scheduled. Anyway, I'm going to see what I can do today. Hopefully I can get stuff going, get some momentum. Alright, no getting overwhelmed. Just start with one step. Okay, what's the next step? Okay, replace one of these. Not that huge job. Okay, loosen the screw. I can do that. Huh. I'll loosen another screw. Slightly trickier. Right, I can reach it with the pliers. Excellent. Don't lose screw. Hey, this is actually going pretty good. Alright, I still have my whacker and everything. Nice. Alright, now I need a pokey stick. I don't know where my pokey stick is. Luckily there's sticks in the forest. Oh, one of my favorite things about the forest. Wait a minute. Here's my pokey stick. Yeah, ready to go. Alright. Let's give this a try. Oh wow. That's not moving at all. I'm gonna have to hit that harder. Now it's moving. Maybe it'll help if I get the weight off that leg I'm working on. Yeah, it's pretty easy to move now. That took a bit of wrestling, but it's out. Alright, now the top. Alright, now what is this thing? How do I make a new one? And why am I doing this? Alright, so some of these are over here. Oh, I'm gonna have to drill some holes. And I got my new inverter in the mail the other day. And it works very well. I used it to build the thing yesterday. It was just a thing. Anyway, it seems to be fully operational. So I should be able to power my drill press over there if I can find the plug. Yay! I really love solar power. It's so cool. That must be what I'm using to drill those holes. Looks kind of crazy. Drill that with aluminum. Good thing it's exercise day though, because I wear chainmail on exercise day, so if flying bits fly off, I'm okay. Anyway, I guess measure the hole and... Alright. It's kind of weird coming back to a project after I haven't been working on it for a while. It's like coming into someone else's project. I have no idea what's going on here. I'm gonna have to power up. This is like too difficult for low key. Alright, brains. We're gonna need this thing to come off to measure the other piece going on. So we need to remove it. Alright. Alright, get in there. Come on. Alright, don't lose that. Alright, this is the piece that goes at the top. So I have to make it that wide. And then this goes at the bottom. So that's how wide it has to be down there. And then I just need to cut a piece for the top there and down. Okay, let's measure that. And I need this hole measured too. And remember to cut the corners off. Alright, now how do I make that stay? What did I do on the other one? Huh. Nothing. I guess it's staying there by luck? I don't know. I must have been figuring if I have to smash it out with a hammer really hard, it'll probably stay if I'm not smashing it. I can't hear a word I'm saying. Okay, cut my corners on the chop saw. Why does this seem so dangerous? And cut a slot up at the top. And then hammered it closed a little bit so it's tight on the ball bearing. And I actually can't get it in unless I grab the slot with these and widen it a little bit, which is a lot easier to do with both hands. Just have to make sure I remember to put a little weld at the top of those things. Alright, now I need a sheet of aluminum. How am I going to cut that? Wait a minute, I have a bandsaw! And that's what I cut the last one with. Awesome! Looks about right. Okay, not the prettiest thing I've ever done. It's probably going to take me a few pieces before I figure out the settings again. But I think it's strong anyway. Even if it's really ugly. Well, I don't really think it's that ugly. Just the welds are ugly. Well, that's a little more like it. Alright, I just need 4 more of those, and I also have to make the rest of these, because I replaced the one in this one, I don't know, a year and a half ago or whenever it was, but I haven't replaced any of the other ones. Go get it, Rara, run! Run!
White pants on Papa's shorts.
Alright. No, or on your own dress, whatever. Go get Mama, run! Oh, yeah, white.
Here, I'll try that. Alright, come on. Come here,